Now he will ask you questions and you have to answer it. He will ask you in Marathi and you have to answer it in English. Okay? Understood? You have to ask questions.
Okay.
Start now.
ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ती काय करत होती?
What was she doing?
तो कसा आला?
How does he
Ala.
how does he
Ala. Yes, you tell. Mike.
how did he come?
तिने काय सांगितलेले होते?
तिने काय सांगितले? What had
She
she tell?
told.
What had she told?
Yagnesh, if you know answer, then you can.
ती विचार करणार का?
ती विचार करणार का? Will she think?
Very good. Fast.
ते कसे जातात?
ते कसे जातात? ते कसे जातात? How does they go? How do they go?
You don't tell answer.
ती तिकडे कशी जाते?
How does she go there?
Very good. Let's fast.
ती तिकडे का जाते?
ती तिकडे का जाते? Why does she go?
तिने तुला काय विचारले?
तिने तुला काय विचारले?
Yagnesh, step. Mike you. What did she ask? What did she ask?
तिने कधी सांगितलेले होते?
When had she told?
तिकडे कोण गेलेले होते?
तिकडे कोण गेलेले होते? Who had
Very good. Who? बरोबर. Correct.
who had
Gone.
gone there?
ती का शिकत नाही?
ती का शिकत नाही? Why doesn't learn? Why doesn't she learn?
ती का बोलली नाही?
ती का बोलली नाही? का बोलली नाही? Doesn't she?
का?
Why did she told? Why did she speak?
Wrong.
Why didn't she speak?
Very good. Learn I means read. Next.
तो विचार करत आहे का?
तो मजा करत आहे का?
विचार करत आहे.
तो विचार करत आहे का? विचार करत आहे का?